Hey, what's up? And welcome back to my DRABS crew. For those of you that are just joining us, DRABS stands for Dad Reads a Bedtime Story. Pretty simple channel. What we do here is we take various books and we read bedtime stories just to give mom and dad a break. Today we got a special one for you guys. This one is called Ana Cultiva Manzanas, Apple Farmer Annie. As you guys guessed, this one is in Spanish. But this one should be short enough for us to get through tonight. So let's go ahead and give it a shot here without further ado. Ana cultiva manzanas. And I'll actually come back and read this one in English also after it's done. So this one should be a fairly short read. Let's go. Ana cultiva manzanas. Tiene un huerto grande lleno de manzanos. Durante el otoño recoge cestas y cestas de manzanas redondas y maduras. Ana cultiva muchas clases de manzanas, las separa y las organiza. Ana usa algunas manzanas para hacer dulce sidra de manzana. Usa otras para preparar una deliciosa compota de manzanas. Le encanta hornear panecillos dulces, tartas y pasteles con las manzanas. Pero guarda las más hermosas para venderlas en el mercado. Coloca las cajas en el camión y conduce hasta la ciudad. Ana monta su puesto en el mercado de los granjeros. Muchos clientes visitan el puesto de Ana. Ella está ocupado todo el día. Al final del día, lo ha vendido todo. Recoge las cosas para regresar a casa. Ana está cansada pero contenta. Es tan agradable tener un huerto de manzanas. All right, that one was pretty easy. So what we'll do for this one, we'll go back and flip through and read it in English, and I'll try to show you guys a few of the pictures. I find that whenever you're reading something in a foreign language, anything that you can use to help you, whether it be context clues or pictures, can be beneficial. So I'll go back through and read it, and hopefully you guys will recognize some of the words, but like I said, I'll show pictures too. So the first page, Annie is an apple farmer. She has a big orchard of apple trees. In the fall, she picks baskets and baskets of round, ripe apples. She grows many kinds of apples. She sorts and organizes them. Annie uses some of the apples to make sweet apple cider. She uses others to make delicious, smooth applesauce. She loves baking muffins, cakes, and pies with her apples. But she saves the most beautiful ones of all to sell fresh at the market. She loads everything into her truck and drives to the city. Annie the apple farmer sets up her stand in the farmer's market. Lots of customers come to Annie's stand. She's busy all day long. by the end of the day, she has sold everything. She packs up to go home. Annie is tired but happy. It feels so good to have her own apple farm. All right, the end. So let me know how you guys like that. Like I said, we will be mixing it up a little bit, and we'll do some more advanced books as well as some books that are easier, and then maybe periodically we can mix in some books of a different language. Thanks you guys for joining us for this short segment of Dad Reads a Bedtime Story. Have a good one and good night.